Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In our last tutorial, we had discussed about modules. We had seen what are the benefits of modules, how we can use modules in Node.js. The great thing in Node.js is that it comes with a lot of built-in modules that named as core modules. One of them is HTTP module. HTTP modules is the one that allows you to create web servers and allows you to listen the request and send response towards web browsers. So the main benefits of these core modules are that it allows you to use a lot of functionalities without hesitation and without writing code from scratch. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to use HTTP module. So let's begin with the tutorial for today. Let HTTP, first of all, we have to import HTTP module by using require. So we will use require to import HTTP module. I didn't write the folder name here by require module. In the require function, I haven't tried the folder name. Why? Because for importing all the global modules or core modules, it's not necessary to write the fully qualified path because they are available all around the globe and the Node.js. Node knows that which modules you are looking for. By using this HTTP, you can create server by calling one function that is called create server in HTTP module, and in that server you have to pass an anonymous function. By in that anonymous function, you can pass two parameter named as request and response. Request is the parameter that will allows you to read data in the request and that is coming from the browser, and response is the variable that takes the data back towards browser. Request will take the data from the browser, and response will take the data back towards the browser. So here you can do here perform actions on request whatever you want to do, then we will pass the response. After finishing your response, you must listen that server on specific port. In my case, I will listen that server on 88 port. So let's say I want to pass a response of hello world, a response of write, I can say header, and the header is on 200, and let's pass JSON here, and I'll say content type is text plain, text slash plain, and I will write this response, response dot write. I will write this here as hello world, and I'll end the response. You must end the response. If you didn't end the response, you will not be able to receive that response on your browser end. So this is pretty simple example for HTTP server from web browser. Let's go and try to run this server. I'll make it clear. So I said node app.js. So now our server is running. Let's go to the browser and try to run. Let's see, as you can see that hello world is printed out in our browser from the server. This hello world is coming from our HTTP server. Let's say for verification, we will save this message in some variable message. I will say I am from server. Okay. Now the same message I will log here to the server in the server, and I will pass the same message in my response as well to the browser. So now the same I am from the server should be written in my console as well, this console or terminal, and it should be written in the browser as well. Let's try this one now. We had rerun the application, and we will pass the request again towards our server. Here you can see I am from server is printing out in the browser, and here you can see in the terminal as well I am from server is printing out. So this is pretty basic example for HTTP server, how you can receive request and response towards your browser. I hope you guys understand it. It's pretty much enough for today's lecture. I hope you like the videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. We will meet soon, inshallah, in the next tutorial. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.